My dressing for this is easy. I add a little bit of coconut aminos to some mayo, some sriracha, add in my cubed salmon and give it a little bit of time to marinate. Then I add the sushi rice to these nori sushi sheets, and then using the back of my spoon, I press them into the muffin tin and then add the salmon on top of that. At this point, you bake these while you make the sauce. The sauce is super, super easy. Just as you would guess, some mayo, some sriracha, and some honey. And then when they come out of the oven, all you need to do is adorn it with this sauce and whatever veg you like. Radishes, cucumber, cilantro, yum.
Ready?
Yeah, go for it. The whole thing, all of it. He took out the radishes. He's like not a radish fan, but that's okay. Are they good?
10 out of 10.
Oh, nice.